Hello to all our listeners. Welcome to another episode of Three Men and a Mic. And today we have our usuals. We have Anil, Sumit, and myself, Akash. And today we have a guest who's a good friend of us. He's also very talented as well, and it's Pramata. So, hello, the usuals, and hello, Pramata.
Hey
Hi
guys.
everyone.
Hi guys,
Hi,
Hi,
hi
guys.
Pramata,
welcome to
how
our
are
show.
you?
I'm good. Hope you're doing well.
Yeah, we are doing well, Pramata.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
are you doing?
You okay?
Pretty good.
Okay, so
Just banging all those tablas.
That's going
Dum,
on.
dum, dum. What?
That's
Okay.
never gonna stop.
Yeah.
Pramata, had your Bonvita or no?
Coffee.
I don't drink
What
any
do
of
you
this.
prefer?
You don't drink anything.
Oh, you only take those drinks in the night. Those kind of drinks.
You think?
Yeah, plain milk.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Plain milk.
Plain milk, Pramata. You're a plain milk guy, is it? Or you don't even drink milk?
No.
You don't even drink milk. Okay. Like you are not lactose intolerant, are you? You're not lactose intolerant.
No. Nothing like
Okay. Okay, but you don't like milk. You dislike drinking milk, ashte.
that. It depends. If I'm in a mood, I do. Otherwise, I won't.
Okay, so today you did not drink
he's
because
a
you're not in a
mood
mood.
drinker.
Yeah, mood drinker, yeah. Okay.
That's okay.
So how about you guys, Sumit? What did you drink?
Me?
What did you drink, Sumit?
I didn't drink
Bonvita?
anything. I
All
drank saliva.
Usual.
I drank my own saliva.
Usual.
Ah,
Mine was usual Complan with Parle G because I can't afford Oreos.
Yeah.
oh yes.
I,
Okay.
Yeah.
I
drank my
drink
own saliva.
Pepsi, Coke.
Okay.
Oh,
So Pramata, we are all been under a lockdown. How was your lockdown, Pramata?
As of now, it's been good. Like I've been continuous practice schedule, recording.
Mm-hmm. So
Um,
wait. So to our
yeah.
viewers, by the way, if you're very new and you don't know who Pramata is actually a very talented guy. He's actually a musician. He plays tabla. So if you didn't get what he was talking about practice and rehearsals, he's actually talking about his tabla practice and rehearsals during the day and during this course of lockdown. So just to know that,
Pramata also plays other
Yeah,
percussion
and
Yeah,
instruments.
yeah, he plays the
and
djembe.
photography
Like,
also.
right?
He does. Pretty good.
He does photography. He does really good photography as well, guys. So if you guys didn't know, if you're very
Yeah,
new.
overall a talented guy whose talents we can't reach.
Oh, that's nothing like that.
So yeah, Pramata, what were you doing this lockdown? Only practice and rehearsals, nothing else.
Oh, I used to go for photography, movies.
Movies.
I have a habit of writing, writing quotes, stories,
Oh, that's nice.
poems,
That's nice.
poetry, all of this.
Yeah. I follow Pramata's quote page.
Oh, that. Oh.
Full all deep, deep and heart-touching quotes and poetry he
damn.
writes.
Pramata, what kind of
I'll ta-
new food did you have?
I'll tag Pramata's quote page on my
Description.
on my Insta page.
Description.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
description. Alright, so Pramata, you didn't try any new food. I know you're a good foodie. I mean, you're a foodie. I know that. You didn't try
Sorry?
any new food. You didn't try any new food. Like you didn't make or eat any new food in lockdown.
Like nothing like that. Maybe no, nothing as such.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Because-
but Pramita, I actually want to ask you this, alright? See, it's very usual that when people come to podcast, we ask what is that favorite thing you had in the lockdown and stuff. So today we are actually going the reverse way. We're actually asking what's that one thing which you disliked eating during the lockdown, Pramita?
Dislike doing in the lockdown.
Eating. Disliked that one
Yeah,
food
the
item you
food item
disliked
you-
eating in the lockdown.
Yeah.
Maybe that's just typical South Indian food.
Oh, you hate South Indian food, is it? You don't
Yeah.
like South Indian food.
See, I hated eating uppit on every Sunday.
No, I hate.
Every Bangalorean might
I feel
Every
you.
Bangalorean
yeah,
might
I
agree
hate
with
it.
Yeah.
uppit is a must on every
Yes,
Sunday,
yes.
which
Yes,
I
I
hate.
hate
No, the thing is, at home you have upbeat and stuff. Even when you go for function, the same thing.
Exactly.
Yeah. Uppit and Kesri Bath.
Okay.
Oh,
Sundays
so
in
bad.
Bangalore should be renamed to Uppit Day.
Yeah,
So
but
all
I
of
agree
you
with
guys hate
Sumit. Kesri Bath is a good one.
Oh, Keshabad is good, but you don't like Uppit. So all of you guys like unanimously hate Uppit.
Yes, don't you?
It's like one of the hated things in Bangalore right now. I mean, I'm okay with it. I don't necessarily hate Uppit. It's fine. Like Sundays in my house, basically we don't do Uppit on Sundays. Like not all the days, and like, not all the times. But Uppit is. It's not like I hate it. It's fine. I can have it once in a while. Because it doesn't.
So
It
you're
doesn't be.
privileged.
It's not
Okay,
prepared.
Akash, you don't have to show.
Yeah, it's not
Okay,
prepared every Sunday.
moving on,
Sorry, guys.
moving on.
Yeah, moving on from Uppit.
Yeah. Okay. So
Just by talking about Uppit, I'm having a bad taste in my mouth.
Yeah.
Nothing. Anyways.
so Pramata hates South Indian food. Sumit, you also hate South Indian, or you also like
No,
I'm
only
okay with
Uppit.
South Indian.
I'm okay with South Indian. Only Uppit.
Okay, so you only hate Uppit. Okay. So other South Indian you're fine. You can eat aram. If I give you wangi bath, you'll eat.
Yeah. Aram.
Anything other than Uppit.
Other than Uppit,
There seems to be some sort of,
grudge against Uppit.
grudge
Hey,
against Wangi Bath also in Sumit. He took time before telling
Enmity.
us.
No, I compared.
Yeah, he's like reluctant to accept
See, I
Wangi
compared.
Bath.
Okay, I compared. But then Uppit is like the level is like next level. Okay, it's way higher in the list or on the list. But then
Oh, okay.
And the rest of not getting.
Yeah, that's number one hated.
Fine. What about
Yeah,
you?
most-
Anish?
Most hated food.
Oh, number one hated.
Yeah, I'm telling you now. See, I'll eat anything other than Uppit. See, Uppit also I'm fine, but every Sunday, it becomes
Monotonous.
boring.
But then
Yeah.
Uppit also is different kind of. There's some Ogran Uppit where it's simple as Uppit. It's nothing. It's just rave and then you just you don't add veggies and stuff like that.
See,
And there's
I
this
think people
Uppit which is
don't
in
like
yellow color. You
the
add veggies.
Raveda because see, people
Okay,
eat
yeah,
everything
see, Akash, I know you told me.
There's Aurek
Akash, you
Uppit
told.
also. Anish.
Yeah, see, Akash, you're telling me all the different varieties of Uppit. If I go tell this list to my mom, she'll tell me, okay, you only make it and only give it to us.
You understand the restaurant saying,
No, they'll be like
Yeah.
Mado and then give it
Exactly.
up. So
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
Uppit or nothing.
okay, let's move on from this Uppit topic.
Okay, yeah, enough of
Oh my
Uppit.
god, bad taste. Everyone is like, oh no, we don't want to talk about it. Alright. But one thing, alright, I actually want to tell the viewers that Pramata was living in Bangalore, but now he shifted to a new city. Which is that city, Pramata?
Sorry?
You shifted from Bangalore to a new city, right?
Yeah.
Where did you shift? Where did
Now
you shift?
I've shifted to Mysore.
Yes, that's what. So he shifted to Mysore now, and the thing is, Pramata, I actually want to ask one thing. You have lived in Bangalore for a long time, and you're living in Mysore right now. So
Yeah.
what's that one difference you find between these two cities? That's
Oh
it's
God.
very evident that okay, if I compare these two cities, this is very different from what I've seen
Don't
in
ask me about this.
Bangalore. Huh?
Because see, here the shop, any shop or restaurant, they open up till late night.
Okay.
But there everything is closed by 8.
Oh, so you're saying that the shops are open for a longer time, like for a longer duration of time, and in
Yeah.
Bangalore it's like a very strict time. By 8 it's closed.
It's like it's never a sleepy town here.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I
about
thought,
that?
yeah,
I
even I
thought it
thought
was the other
because,
way around.
Compared to the,
because
I thought Bangalore
Yeah,
has a
Mysore-
better nightlife.
that's what I'm saying.
No, other
That's what I'm saying.
oh, okay.
So you're saying Bangalore
Yeah.
has a better nightlife?
Yeah, compared to there because that's a very sleepy town.
Oh, yeah, so now, to people who have not known, Pramata is now currently in Bangalore.
Yeah,
Okay, wait.
and this is where I
Yeah.
belong.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So, Pramata, you had gone to Mysore for educational purposes, right? Like
Yep.
you're studying there in
Yep,
Mysore.
I'm pursuing my degree there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cool.
all right. So only the nightlife is what is different. Nothing else, right?
And
Like
never the
anything
driving
else.
sense. People don't have driving sense there.
There in
There you mean
Bangalore,
in
not
Mysore.
Sorry?
You mean Mysore, Pramata?
Yeah.
Yeah, he means Mysore.
Yeah.
Wait, Pramata, you actually mean that Mysore people don't have driving sense, or do you mean Bangalore people don't have driving sense?
Mysore people.
No, there are people who are driving, they put the right indicator and move to the left.
Where? In Mysore or Bangalore?
There in Mysore.
In Mysore. Okay, fine.
And they don't look into what's happening, they just cross over.
Okay. So nothing great about food as well, or even what about?
I have not explored about that fact.
Okay, so you're not even explored.
Due
You're not
to this
explored Mysore a
lockdown,
lot.
I've not been able to explore that part.
Okay, so you're not explored Mysore that well to even comment on how Mysore is compared. Okay, yeah, okay, fine.
Compared to the
But
traffic,
I feel Mysore is. I think Mysore is a bit calmer
Yep,
than
that's
Bangalore.
there.
The traffic, it's less noisy than
yes,
Bangalore.
that's there.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I
okay.
think it's much
So Pramata will
cleaner
move on,
also.
right? We'll move
anyways,
on.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, definitely. Mysore has it's been like number one city in India
And it's
to
cleaner
have.
than
It's
Bangalore.
the cleanest city
In terms of
in
of
India.
garbage and stuff.
Yeah. Like if you
Yeah.
guys have visited Chamundi Hills, you know, right? There is a no plastic zone as well. Like they actually, are very, very keen on keeping the city clean. That's one of the greatest things
Yeah.
in Mysore for sure. But moving on, Pramata, we
Yeah,
know
yeah.
that the viewers know that you're a musician and you have a good taste in music and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
because of the lockdown, you know that I have heard that you're going to a lot of concerts, right? You go to a lot
Yeah.
of concerts which is held in Bangalore or in Mysore.
Yeah.
You've been to a lot of concerts as well. So, but
That's
during the
true.
lockdown, because of the lockdown, there have not been a lot of concerts held in places because there's a lot of gathering,
Yeah,
of course.
I agree.
Yeah. So people are trying to make online concerts. They're having
Yeah.
Facebook live concerts.
They're
They're having
being on
concerts on
social
a different
platforms.
website. Yes. So the question here I actually want to ask you, Pramata, is that what do you feel about the feels you get in music concerts on online, or which is better, the online music feels or the offline music feels?
It's
only
obviously
talking
the
about-
live concert that you attend at a auditorium,
Okay. Why?
because that has a different feel. You know what exactly the artist is trying to convey, the right kind of message. Are you
Okay.
getting to that mood? Because, for example, if there is a vocal recital going on, they have a specific rag.
Okay.
They choose the rag depending upon the time.
Oh, okay.
So there is
So
a
in,
rag for evening rag as a rag Yaman. So that gives you a certain feeling, which you get that feeling only when the rag is performed at that particular time. And that's more appealing.
And also the acoustics, right? Also the acoustics, like it's
Yes,
like
yes.
like if you go to a live concert and hearing those instruments
That thing
live
that's
is something
there,
else
yeah.
than here. Yeah, other than listening to it or over your phone.
And you can differentiate the instruments rather than listening as one on online concerts.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
like offline. I mean, sorry, not offline. Online concerts like FB Live.
See,
Not that
you
I
don't
don't like
find
it,
the.
But then don't you
just
think,
the situation now is like this.
But don't you think it's like,
So
at
that's the
home,
only
Yes,
option
go
left.
ahead.
like it feels like, around so you can just sit on the sofa or like sleep on the bed and listen.
Yeah, that is also there, but still, this gives a different feel of satisfaction. It's more appealing.
See, I think as an entertainment point of view, yeah, obviously live concerts, we had no other options, of going out and being entertained or listening to these artists. But as if it becomes a thing in future, like online concerts or offline concerts, like if online concerts, becomes a thing after, there's, in a
Yeah.
month there is no more COVID.
So if that becomes
So
more
then I think
predominant.
people, yeah. I think people will do, prefer offline concerts.
Yeah, because that's more appealing. It's more entertaining, and you get to know the artist.
Yeah. And also, if you're going for a DJ party and all, obviously you don't want
Yeah.
to dance at your own house.
Yeah,
You would want to go
Yeah.
because
to
you need all
fest.
those lightings,
an
Or
auditor.
something, DJ part,
Yeah.
yeah.
lightings, and then
Yeah.
the kind of vibe you get.
And you can't
Yeah,
scream anyways.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you prefer offline concerts, and you feel like it's better than online concerts, which is, yeah, I mean, I do agree with it. All right, Pramata, when we're talking about FB, we're talking about Instagram, we're talking
Yeah.
about YouTube. All of these are social media platforms, and I know for a fact that you are one of the person who is very active on social media. You would like to be on social media, and I've heard even Anish is saying that you have quote pages where you actually post deep quotes, and you have this photography page you actually post photos where if you feel like it's good and actually want to post. And so basically you're very active on social media. So do you think that you're addicted to social media, like let's say Instagram? Do you surf Instagram for like
2 hours or
for a
something.
longer period of time. Let's say like for hours and hours. You just keep scrolling.
See, before Pramata tells, I'll tell you. I think last week or 2 weeks ago, on some day, I surfed Instagram for 3 hours 42 minutes.
Oh my God, Anish, what? Anish, you
I have never crossed more than 1 hour. Maximum was 1 hour.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. See,
And
I think
that would be only
I think it was a
because
day
if
where
there's
I
a
was
live
too
session
free,
going
or
on.
I decided
I
to be
think
free.
that's it was
okay.
Oh wait, what was like surfing? Like what were you searching?
Because I follow some of the great artists, so they keep doing the live sessions. Only for that I follow them more than 1 hour.
Okay, so you're active on Instagram, but you're not addicted to Instagram.
No, nothing
Is that
like
what
that.
you're saying?
I
Is that
keep
what you're
listening to different types of music. Maybe that way I use a lot.
Uh-huh.
Because
But other than that, you don't
not everything is available everywhere.
Okay.
And there are certain interviews of artists which are available on Instagram and not on YouTube. So it depends.
Okay, so you only do it.
Yeah.
So you basically music is your world right now, and then you only search and surf Instagram or even Facebook or even YouTube. You only use social media for
Music
all
related
these
artists. or
music
something
related
like
articles
Yeah.
or whatever.
I also
Okay,
look for
fine.
photography.
Okay.
Because I
But then you're
look
not
into how to
addicted to it.
improve the photography skills, all of this.
So it's like a good addiction. What do you guys think?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it? It's like
It's
good
a-
addiction
it's
for
a-
us. Oh, and
Yeah,
unlike you,
yeah,
Anish.
like he's using. Okay. Ouch, Akash. I won't post this on Instagram.
Hey, no,
anymore.
no,
I'm leaving
no.
Instagram.
Don't
No more posting on
don't plug.
Instagram.
Don't.
Okay.
No, don't do this, Anish.
Okay. So yeah, see, Pramata is using, I think, social media for the right cause.
He's getting
trying
knowledge.
to educate himself. He's trying to learn stuff.
Exposure.
Yeah. He's using, yeah. This is how
Should.
we also started using social
Yeah,
media,
sure.
but
Eventually-
Sure, Anish. Sure.
Yeah.
eventually,
Eventually
yeah,
just-
sure.
But one thing I think I'm
eventually
using
that
too much,
1 minute video of Dani said, distracts you for an entire hour.
One thing I'm using too much is because recording my own
Oh,
stuff.
that's fine now.
Oh,
I use my phone a lot, like
Oh.
to record my videos, my practice.
Humble brag.
So
Humble brag.
see, I think he's not like us. Like, we just surf YouTube. We watch hours and hours, and then next Instagram for for like an hour or so.
what do you use Instagram for, Sumit? What do you use
For
Instagram
everything.
For? Oh, everything. What is everything?
Everything, it's everything.
Other than posting,
Yeah, I don't post.
Oh,
other than posting candidates.
Everything I use.
all right.
No,
Post
no,
candidates on
nothing.
Instagram.
I use Insta for everything. Gaining knowledge.
Oh, that's very new,
Yeah.
Sumit. Getting knowledge on
Yeah.
Instagram. Oh.
What one piece of new knowledge.
That there
Yes,
are
sir.
cringe.
What piece- what
That
new piece of knowledge?
there are very cringy trending reels going on.
Oh, you're not talking about 3 minute Amik.
No. Hey, shh.
Because Sumit, the one spot will be gone. Then it won't be 3 minute Amik.
It's all cringy. I'm talking about reels.
And also the thing is that when you're an artist, you need to promote yourself. So you gotta keep posting often.
Yeah. So how do you promote
Oh, so yeah.
yourself?
How do you
Like
promote?
you post your videos and looking to that people know you, that you look into that you feel noted.
Okay.
Because once people recognize you, you get opportunities. And that's only possible because of social media platforms. During these times. Because you can't go to everybody's house, knock the door and tell them I play these instruments, hire me and that.
That you wouldn't do if there was no COVID also. Right. Anyways.
All right then. That's the end of the podcast, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you, Pramata, for being here and being such
Thank
a
you,
sport.
guys.
Making time for this podcast. We really appreciate your time and your views.
Yes,
and
yes.
thank you, the usuals, for coming again this week. During your whatever schedule you have and making this podcast happen. So maybe next time also we'll have a guest, or maybe it's only three of
Let's
us
see.
again.
Let's see.
So until next time, hope you guys taking care of yourselves and keep smiling, guys. Until the next one. Bye.